Convertible time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible. 350 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. Go ahead and take a look at the chrome up front here. Headlights, surrounds, grille. Has had a repaint along the lines to white with a saddle interior. White vinyl top. Power steering, power brakes, AC. So nicely equipped car. If you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the underside, the engine bay, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. As you can see, riding on the rally style wheels. Up and down the passenger side. Does have a bench seat. Shifter on the column. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Check out that engine bay before we finish up this video. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. Included with the purchase of this vehicle are some extra belts, the original Oldsmobile radios, floor mats, and a car cover that will be placed back in the trunk and shipped with the car. Sorry, I got the driver's door open there. Go ahead and show you how that fits since we're doing this quick video. And check out the still pictures. There's over 100 pictures of this car online. You'll be able to see it with the top up, top down. And at the end of the video, after I start it up, let you check out the engine bay. We'll check out the convertible top too. It is a power top. Your seats have been reupholstered in a nice shape. Take a look at the door panels. As you can see, power windows. Tilt column. A little closer look at this. Vinyl, free of rips, tears, holes. Seat belt still intact. Front and rear. Go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Again, 350 underneath the hood. Starts easily. Take a look at the gauge cluster. Top of the dash. Little aftermarket Pioneer Super Tuner put in it. Door does close easily and correctly. A little rumble coming out of that 350, nothing crazy, but nice sounding engine. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pause this a second. Get that hood open. We'll check out the engine bay and then take a peek at the top. There we go, hood open. Underside of that. Here's your 350 V8, again paired up with that automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, looks like a newer alternator. AC components all up here. To be here, compressor kicks on and off. I wouldn't say it blows cold blows, but may need to be recharged. Has been converted over to 134. And smooth running, good sound. FYI, I mentioned earlier, wipers work. That Super Tuner Pioneer radio does work also. Even notice the clock worked on the inside. Forgot to mention that earlier. Now let's go ahead and we'll power this top up, take a peek at that quick.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And the top up. Take a look at the fit above the windshield. Nice and tight. Snug top, white vinyl. Free of rips, tears, holes. Glass rear window, FYI. And also nice and clear there also. Come around to the passenger side here. Again, free of rips, tears, holes, really much discoloration or anything. It's going to serve its purpose. Need it to keep you dry or maybe just out of the sun, it'll do that just fine. So there you go, 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when they call or email.